In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview a design in Canva. Previewing your design is a simple but really important step before you download, share, or present your work. It lets you see exactly how your design will look to other people, without all the editing tools and guides cluttering up your screen. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to access the preview feature and how to make the most of it, so you can spot mistakes and polish your design with confidence. First, open Canva and load the design you're working on, or start a new one from a template or a blank canvas. Once your design is open in the editor, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page or layout you want to check. This is especially important if your project has multiple pages, like a presentation or a multi-page document. Now, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the Canva editor. You'll see a row of options like Share, Download, and Others, depending on your version and layout. Among these, there will be an option labeled Preview. Go ahead and click on Preview. As soon as you click it, Canva will switch from the editing view into a clean, distraction-free preview mode. In this mode, all the grids, margins, and editing panels disappear, so you're seeing your design much closer to how your audience will see it once it's exported or shared. Take your time here. Look over your text to check for spelling or spacing issues. Make sure images are properly aligned and confirm that colors and fonts look consistent across the entire design. If your file has more than one page, use the arrow controls or page navigation in preview mode to move through each page one by one. This helps you check the overall flow and make sure everything feels cohesive. As you go, try to imagine you're seeing it for the first time, the way a viewer would. When you notice something you'd like to change, simply exit preview mode. You can usually do this by clicking a close icon or an option that returns you to the editor. Make your adjustments, then click on preview again to see how those changes look. Don't hesitate to repeat this process several times. It's normal to go back and forth between editing and previewing until you're fully satisfied. Once everything looks good in preview and you're happy with the result, you're ready to move on to downloading,